Back with another trade, this time Great British Pound, Swiss franc. Gone short at this area. I think I was triggered here. Yes, this morning at 7 o'clock. So I've gone short here. My stop is up in this region, 29 pip stop. My first take profit area is around 77 pips. So we've entered the trade and we came all the way down here and price has pulled back up. So again, I have my stop in the same position and I'm going to wait it out. My second target, just going on to the daily time frame here, my second target might be down in this region, which would give us a risk reward of around 20, which would be a great trade. So that's the trade setup, and I will be back with updates to see. Hopefully we can hit this first target, and then we'll just let it run, or we'll get stopped out. We'll see what happens. Just back with an update on the British pound Swiss franc short. You can see here price came down and we hit our first target. So I've sold half my position here, and my stop is currently sitting just on top of these wicks of these candles here. So my stop is up here, and I actually have my second target all the way down here. So yeah, at about 20 to 1 risk reward. So we will see how it plays out. What I will do is, if price breaks these lows and closes down below these lows here, as if we look over here, yeah, if it closes down below these lows, I will move my stop down into this region, above this kind of downward slope, if you want to draw a trend line. So I'll move my stop into this region just to lock in some more profits. I'll be back with updates. Back with a further update. In my last update I had mentioned that we had hit our first target and I had my stops in this region here. Since then price has bounced back up and then come back all the way back down again and crashed through our first target. So this trade is currently up around 4.5 risk reward on the second portion of the trade. So I've moved my stops into this region now above these kind of highs, and we're just going to let this trade run south and see if we can rack up as much profit as we can. I'll be back with updates. Final update on the British pound Swiss franc short. As a small recap, we hit our first target in this area. Price moved up and then started to move back in our direction. I followed monitored this trade all the way down to here. We formed this kind of shelf and it dropped off, so I moved my stop all the way down into here, quite tight. I wouldn't normally be as aggressive with my stop, but just because it was the Friday before Christmas, I just didn't want to leave the position open over the Christmas period, essentially. So we got stopped out here for the second half of the position. So this is essentially the first half and this is the second half. So in the second half we got a risk reward of 1 to 4.2, and on the first half risk reward of 1 to 2.6. Again, just to verify that this was taken live, this is a screenshot of my live account. You can see up here, and you can see this green line represents the first half of the trade that I sold at, and you can see that's down here. This is the one that's 77 pips, and then the second half of the trade is 124 pips. Thank you very much.